is Marieta Oslanec, founder of ImmigrationBiz, and in this video I'm going to discuss some of your questions. So this is a question that we received from you guys, and this is going to concern kids and family members. If you want to immigrate to the US, whether you just want to go there on non-immigrant visa or immigrant visa. But this particular question is from Nazet. I hope that I pronounced your name correctly. And Nazet asks, if a child 17 years old of age wants to move to the US, can you explain the process? And because he would like to move to the US to study because of school. Well, if your child wants to study in the US and this is the age of a high school student, you need visa. Usually it's J1 visa for high school kids. If you are moving to the US yourself and you have a valid visa, then for example, if you are an investor, I talk about a lot E2 visa in my previous videos. We work with entrepreneurs, investors, people who are moving to start the business in the US. Your child can join you if the child is below the age of 21 years old. So if your child is 17 and you bringing a child with you, then automatically if you go, for example, on E2, the child is getting the same status, same visa type as a dependent. Now, if your child wants to go by himself, so meaning you are sending this child as an exchange student to the US, in that case, your son needs J1 visa. These are usually visas issued for students, J1 students. This is an exchange program usually done through the agency. So you will need to look for a local agency who is providing such a program, exchange program. Otherwise, your son needs to be enrolled into high school, US high school, and then apply for either J1 or F1. This is also a student visa. So either way, you either go through agency as an exchange program, or you go directly through school, and in that case your son needs to be enrolled, and then you need to get the I-20 form, which will help him to actually apply for the student visa. So it's a requirement of the application, and you also need to document that you have funds for the tuition. So you have available funds at the bank account, and who is sponsoring this study abroad. So you need to document all of that, and in that case your son should be able to get the visa successfully and then fly to the US and study there. Whether it's for 1 year, 2 years, depends. I'm assuming if he's 17, then there's 1 year left. So this would be the way. This would be the way how he can move to US. And also I want to mention that if you are, for example, applying for a green card, if you are applying for H1B visa, L visa, E2 visa, these are the visa categories. If you're taking your spouse, your kids with you that are under 21, they can get dependent visa. And I already did video about this topic, how actually your spouse can work in the US. So check it out. Check out the video I post below this one. I will post the link below this video. And if you have any questions, guys, please leave them below this video. I'm happy to answer them. And if you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.